Hello lovely people, today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing. It's really quick, really simple and easy. Most of the times when I'm getting ready, I'm in a rush. Most of the times I don't have the time that I need and I want to do my makeup in a really peaceful state. No, it's like an action movie. Blush, mascara, contour, okay, setting spray. Where is my setting spray? Oh my god, I just lost my setting spray. I think I lost, oh here it is. It was right in front of me, yeah. It's very stressful, and that's usually the time that I'm getting really creative with my looks, and I just try to come up with something that looks good and it's easy and quick to achieve, just like today's look. I want you guys to tell me if you'd like to see more videos like that where I'm showing you quick and easy eye looks. This one is one of my all-time favorites. I just love it. Today I haven't used any eyeshadows. No, that's a lie. I used cream eyeshadows. I haven't used any powder eyeshadows, and I love cream eyeshadows. I think that they're perfect for beginners. They're really easy to work with. I don't want to lose any more time. Let's just get into the tutorial of this look. Let's go! Alright, we're jumping right into it. So I'm gonna start off by applying some cream eyeshadow all over my eyelid. And guys, cream eyeshadows are wonderful. They're great because you don't really need to use any eyeshadow primer to prime your eyes. They're like 2-in-1. Eyeshadow and eyeshadow primer in one. So that saves you some time. And I love using cream eyeshadows when I'm in a hurry. So today I'm gonna use this Viva eye crayon in the shade Typology. I'm applying that all over my eyelid, trying not to bring it above my crease, and then I'm taking a brush and I'm gonna diffuse all of the harsh edges. You want to blend out that eyeshadow as quickly as possible. You don't want to waste any time, because once it sets on your eyes, it will be impossible for you to blend it. Once it dries on your skin, it's not going anywhere. So if you leave it for a while, you can't blend it. Supposedly, you're in a rush, so you're doing the things quickly anyways. I'm gonna take that cream eyeshadow again and apply it just in the outer third of my eye. This is going to add some depth to the look. And again, quickly diffusing it. If you use a small stiff brush to diffuse it, it will be a lot easier than if you use a regular blending brush like this one. Make sure that you go with a smaller, stiffer brush. You can apply as many layers as you want until you achieve the intensity that you like. I want my outer corner to be a little bit darker here, so that's why I'm adding one more layer and blending it out again. And notice that I'm using patting motions to blend it out. I'm not trying to rub that eyeshadow on my eyelid. I'm just patting that brush on my eyelid, and this does all of the blending like super easy. Now to tie the whole look together, I'm taking some of that eyeshadow on a flat brush. This is the Sigma F70, and I will bring it along my lower lashes. I feel like my earrings make so much noises. This is supposed to be some kind of a pink pineapple. I don't know. This is how they advertise them. I don't know if pink pineapples exist. I'm not familiar with that, but they look cute. And you can definitely call this a look. Just add some eyeliner, maybe some mascara, and you'll be good to go. However, you know me, I like adding some highlights and sparkles to my looks. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Starstruck. This is an amazing product. I absolutely love it, and if you're a glow lover like me, and if you like some sparkles and some shine on your face, you will love this. You need this in your collection. It's wonderful. You can use it on your face, on your eyelids, wherever you want. Obviously, I already have it on my eyelids, but let me show you how I applied it. So, I took some of it on my finger, like this. Oh, check this out. And I applied that in the inner half of my eyelids. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I love it. Boom, that's it. Now, if you want to try out this highlighter for your face, just keep in mind that it has a little bit of a bigger pieces of sparkles in it. That doesn't bother me, but it may bother some of you, so I just want to mention that. Talking about bigger pieces of sparkles, let's get that glitter on my eyelids. This is the Yayy eye topper in the shade Funfetti. It has that kind of like a doe foot applicator. It's nice because it doesn't grab a ton of product. So I'll add that just in the inner third of my eye, right here. Okay, I don't want to bring that all over my eyelid. I mean, I won't. I want to bring that all over my face, but definitely not doing that today. Not for this look. Let's be responsible. And this is great because you can add some glitter on your eyes without having to deal with loose glitter. Loose glitter is wonderful, but it can be very messy. This one, you can't really get it everywhere. It goes just where you want to apply it. However, the loose glitter, it's uncontrollable. Trust me. It will travel to places that you don't even think that it was possible for it to go. When I use loose glitter, it goes everywhere. Everywhere in the house, everywhere on my clothes, not even exaggerating. When I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. With this one, you don't really have that issue. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and do a winged eyeliner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner by The Balm. It's their Schwing liner. Let's also take care of the lashes. I'm gonna curl and coat mine with mascara, and then I'll also add a pair of falsies. These ones are by House of Lashes. Tightlining my waterline with some black pencil. See that difference, like wow. Adding some mascara on my lower lashes as well. And lastly, going back to that Fenty Beauty highlighter, I'm taking it on a flat brush and I will apply it in the inner corners of my eyes just to add some highlight there. And you can also add some on your brow bone as well. We're done with the eye makeup. Now let's go ahead and finish up this look by lining my lips and adding some lipstick. And that's it, we're done. Look at those sparkles, I love them. A list of all of the products that I'm wearing on my face will be down in the description box. And as I promised in my previous video, here are all of the photos that were recreations of the look that I created in my previous video. I told you guys that I would feature every photo that I was tagged on, and that was a recreation of that look, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to recreate that look. If you decide to recreate any of my makeup looks, just make sure that you take a photo, tag me on my Instagram, and I'm gonna be featuring your recreations in my next video as well. Basically, I'm gonna do that in every future video that I do. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do it now. Hit that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the bell button, which is right next to it, because if you do, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Oh, I'm running out of breath. If you want to see more of me, just go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!